Hi class, so this is our last video of this sequence of the chapter, and today we're going over multiplying polynomials. A lot of you guys might have some troubles with this, so I plan on taking more class time if needed, but you will be having a Twitter assignment at the end of the video, so make sure you follow the correct instructions for that, and let's get started with the video.
In order to multiply the polynomials, we are going to FOIL. FOILing means we will multiply the first, the outside, the inside, and then the last. Let's FOIL this problem. We'll put together the 5x and the 4x for the first one. And then for the inside, you'll do the -3 and the 4x. And then for the outside, you'll put together the 5x and the +1. And then for the last, you'll do the -3 and the +1. Now that we have FOILed our problem and got 20x squared plus 5x minus 12x minus 3, we will now simplify our problem by putting together our like terms, meaning the 5x and the 12. After combining our like terms, we now have the simplified answer to our problem, which is 20x squared minus 7x minus 3. Now that we have finished up this chapter, we are going to tweet whether we felt the video lessons were helpful or if we felt like we needed more.
Alright, so now that we've watched the video, let's go back to our classroom website and we'll scroll down to the polynomial lesson links and we're going to click on the Twitter one. And this will bring you to my Twitter page, and you're just gonna scroll down, and it's the last thing I posted, and it says tweet telling me how you feel about the video lessons. Did they help? Would you prefer more in-class lectures? Use this hashtag with your tweet, and the hashtag is #MissClarkPolynomials. So that's all I have for you guys. Like I said, if you had any trouble with this, please let me know. And if you guys didn't really care for it, we will not be doing any more video lessons. We will do more in-class stuff and maybe just a few videos just so you guys can take them home whenever you're having trouble. Thank you. Bye, guys.